All right, scholars, so instead of reading a book today, we're going to work on our word search. So if you'll notice, this is day 3. Okay, it says complete the word search. And so we're going to go through these words right here that we've been learning this week, but we're going to be on this side of your worksheet. So you're going to need this worksheet today out for you. So what I would do is I would have your worksheet out, and I would also have your flashcards, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to go look for these words. So the first word that Miss Esther has is the word but. But. So I need to come to I'm going to get my highlighter real quick here. And I need to find the word but. So I'm looking for a B. I need a B. Oh, there it is. It's just backwards. B-U-T. And so then I'm going to take my pen, okay? And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to write the word but. B-U-T. So I found that word. All right, let's go to my next word. The next word that I have on my flashcards is give. Give. So I know it starts with a G. So I need to go and find where I could find the word give. So Miss Esther's looking. Oh, I also see it. It goes backwards. G-I-V-E. Good job. And now I'm going to write the word because that means I found it over here. G-I-V-E. Awesome. Okay, so you're going to find the rest of your words and you're going to write the rest of the words over here. When you finish this part of your worksheet, you can go and play Lexia. Awesome jobs, guys.